carrot. Do you like carrots? Mama says I have to eat all my vegetables if I want to have dessert. And I do want to have dessert.
You gotta eat all your vegetables if you want to have dessert, Margie. Here?
The caterpillar told you so.
Tastes just like hammer on a stick without a stick. I think I ate a watermelon seed. I hope I don't grow a big watermelon in my tummy.
Drip.
They're walking around. Big way to go. Rasmus Glass or yummy dessert. Ooh, animal crackers. Ooh, I love
Not?
animal crackers. I hope this box is not as empty as my stomach. Here I come, little animal crackers. Come after everyone. Oh, I'm so glad I left room for dessert. Goody, goody. Oh, there's so many goodies.
Look at all the goodies, you can barely see them.
Oh, all of this chewing has made me full. Oh, excuse me.